Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Duel. First, let's cover the basics. Your main objective is to move one of your Pokémon figures to your opponent's goal point. Each player begins with a team of 6 Pokémon figures, strategically placed on the game board. The board itself is a grid, featuring distinct entry and goal points for both players. Gameplay is turn-based, requiring careful planning for every move you make. Moving your Pokémon figures is key. On your turn, you can move one figure a certain number of spaces, typically 1, following the designated paths on the board. When 2 opposing figures land on adjacent spaces, a battle ensues. Combat involves spinning a data disk for each Pokémon, which determines attack power and potential effects. Outcomes can range from a knockout, applying a status condition, or no effect at all, adding an element of chance. Pokémon figures are more than just pieces. Each possesses unique abilities and varying movement points, making team composition crucial. Beyond your Pokémon, you also utilize plates, which are single-use items offering powerful strategic advantages during gameplay. Building a balanced team, considering different figure types and their synergies, is vital for success. Remember to deploy your plates wisely, as their timely use can significantly alter the course of a match. There are 2 primary ways to achieve victory in Pokémon Duel. The most direct path is to successfully move one of your Pokémon figures onto your opponent's goal point. Alternatively, you can win by eliminating all 6 of your opponent's Pokémon figures from the board. Effective strategy involves blocking your opponent's potential paths while diligently protecting your own goal. Always be ready to adapt your plans based on your opponent's evolving moves and figure placements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.